Hello guys, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to create such a beautiful VTU website by the name Money Data. As beautiful as this one, you can see this is the website view of the page. You can click on this menu, click on register to register for your account, click on login to log in into your account. So this is pretty simple and beautiful to do, and let us go dive into this. First of all, you should go and purchase the domain name and SSL certificate from truehost.com.ng. This is the recommended website. So you can register if you don't have an account. Now I am going to log into my account because I have it. If you don't have account, click on this create account. So after you have purchased the domain name, SSL certificate and everything, so you can click on if you don't have one, let me guide you on how to purchase the domain name. First of all, you should click on domain. After you have clicked on domain, then put the name that you want it to be as your domain name. For instance, sunnydata.com.ng. Then click on get it. So after that, they will show you if the domain is available or not. Now the domain is available and it will cost me 2,100 naira to get this domain. So let me add it to my cart. So for now, I will click on proceed or continue to click on either no hosting, right? You should click on this no hosting and add the hosting to your domain, because hosting is where you should save the files. So let me select this first plan, website hosting starter. Then after you have selected it, you should use the domain already in your shopping cart. Then I will click on use it. So after that, you have to choose the billing cycle of your hosting. So I have choose the quarterly 4,500. Then I will click. Now my domain have a hosting. So I will avoid this ID protection after clicking on email forwarding and DNS. So I will continue. And what I have missed now is just the SSL certificate that will show HTTPS on my website to protect the scammers from attacking my website. Then I will go back to the service, then select on single SSL certificate, single domain SSL. Then I will click on this ask SSL starter to select the first one. Then the billing cycle is annually. I should leave it like that at the cost of 6,000 naira. So after that, you should continue. Now you have added to your cart the SSL certificate, domain name and the hosting. So if you have added all these things, you should see the total amount is 12,000. Payment method, you should select that 12,600. Then continue to check out. So after you have continued to check out, you should see that the domain name, the SSL certificate are available. This is the invoice. So you can continue to make the payment. Make sure you are using FaceTag. You can use the payment with card to fill for this 12,600 to activate your domain. You can also choose transfer to transfer the money to them. So after you have done with that, the domain name and the hosting will be successfully purchased. Then click on my services. After you have clicked on your services, you should get access to the web hosting you are looking for. This is the web hosting. I should click on the web hosting. This is pending, so let me select on the one because this one I didn't activate it. So this is the web hosting that I have activated. You should scroll down to the bottom side and log into your cPanel. Log into cPanel. So this is the cPanel that where after you have purchased the domain, you should get access to this cPanel. So you first thing that you should do, you should go directly to the file manager. This is file manager, right? Okay, PHP my admin. Then create the database. So create the database, add the username at the last. This is the username. Let me select and copy it. I should create the username for the database. The same thing, adding APK. The password will be the same with the username to avoid any mistake. Then add this all privilege, add it and click on make changes. So after you have clicked on that, you should go back to the cPanel page and later you should click and create the email. Then click on create, add support or info whatsoever you like. The password is the same with my username, right? So I should also copy the email address that I have recently created. So let me go back to let me copy this email address. Let me copy it. This is the email that I have created. Let me go back to the cPanel page, then go directly to the file manager, click on public HTML, then click on upload, then upload this zip file. I will give you access to zip file at the end of this video. Let me click on the drive and select the zip file. So this is VTU version 5. Let me this is version 6. If you like the version 6, the updated one, but now I will guide you on how to create with version 5. So click on this version 5 script and click on import. So let me select the file again, because I think I have delayed uploading it. Select file here, click on select file to upload the file, media fika. Let me click on it. It will start uploading. So you can see now the file is uploaded, right? So let me wait for it to finish uploading. After it have uploaded, it will show you the green sign. So let me remove this. This is the login details of the script. So it have showed me the green, then I will hold on it like this, then click on extract. So you should make sure that you have extracted this zip file in your in your public HTML. Then click on this and delete it. You can delete it. So now what I should say it is the I should go directly to the core file. This is the core file that I should go into this directory. Click on core file, click on this model, then click on model.php and click on edit. So this is where you should connect the database and your email address. Then delete this dv name. This is the database, and change it. This is the database. You can remove it to face with your own, because I am just editing the last name, because the username and everything is the same thing with my own. Then change the password you have entered for your email address and the email address itself. Then click on save change. After you have successfully saved the file, then close it. So what you are going to change right now is click on this helpers. This is the helpers. Click on vendor, then click on this site.php, then edit it. So you should change this name to your website name. Then click on save change, because I didn't make any change, that's why. So let's go back to the to this page where you should upload the database. Let's go directly to php my admin. Let's click on the database, click on the recent database we have created, then click on the 3 line, then import the file. After you have choose the file, then click on media file. This is the database that I will give you access at the last of the at the end of this video. Then click on import. After you have imported the database, you should see it like this. It has 18 tables. Then you have done all you should do here. Then let's go back to the cPanel and continue with our integration. So this is what we are going to change. Let me check the website name and see. So boom, now you can see I have my logo. I have the logo here. This is the names that I should see. When I click on login, you should see now I can log into the website. You can see. Then let me type the password here, then login, because I have input the incorrect login. So you can see now I have logged into the website. This is the back end of the website. You can see I have 238 in my balance. So now all I can do is on this website, if I want to log into the admin dashboard, this is the admin. So this is the password you can type. I will give you access to this password after you have purchased the script. So this is the wallet balance of the API. You can see this is the wallet balance of the user. So I can click on this to add the user email, to credit the user, enter the amount, then manual funding, then proceed. You can see this is the old balance and this is the new balance. If I refresh my site, you can see the balance was added. So here I can purchase the amount. So you can see the user balance has been changed to 700 and something, right? So let me add balance to my API. This is the API site. This is the API site where you should get the data and sell it to the users that have registered on your website. So now this is the website where I should get my data. directly and host it there on my website to purchase the data, right? So this is it. So let me fund this wallet. You can see this is BT data where you can host your API. So let me click on this API access, then click on API access, then copy this API key. Let me go back to the admin dashboard and change this API key to my own. Let me change this API key to my own. This is the plan ID. I am guiding you on how to integrate this plan ID. So this is the plan ID. Let me check on MTN SME. This is MTN 500 MB. At the cost, the plan ID is 64. Let me check again. This is 1 gig SME, right? 258. I'll get it at the cost of 258. The plan ID is 20. Let me go back to the admin dashboard and set this API key and see. So let me go back. Let me face this API key here. Network, click on data plan. Let me search on MTN SME 1 gig. So this is MTN SME. Click on edit. You should check change the price, buying price to plan ID to 20, buying price to 250, and then set the user price, agent price, and vendor price. This is how you should set the price for your website. Then click on update. So now if I log into the Ademoney data website and purchase the data, so you can see now I have login. So let me try to purchase 1 gig. So this is it. Let me purchase the 1 gig here. Let me add my phone number, MTN. It was MTN. Let me click on buy data. So you can see this is the person that I have recently created the website for him. He have paid the 39,000 for creating the website. I have recently completed it. Remain 4,000. I have checked. I have created his logo. I have do everything like this, starting from this, and I have shared him the login details after I have done with his website. So you can also share your service with us. I will help you do your service. So let us go back. This is another person that I have sent his application download link, email address, cPanel login, and whatsoever. This is someone where that I have recently created the website for him. This is someone that have purchased the script 9,900. This is the script that I have shared with him. So you can purchase the script, you can pay for our service. The script is 9,900. Our service is just at 9,000 if you like, but if you can purchase the script and host it yourself. So let me go back and purchase the data that I have done. Let me put the mobile phone number to purchase the data. Let me click on buy data. Yes, let me add my PIN, then click on buy data on this website that I have created. Transaction successfully. This is my new balance. This is the amount. So you can see I have purchased 1000 MB, right? It has dropped. So let me buy airtime. Click on MTN, select BTU, type the phone number that I want to purchase the airtime, enter the amount, then click on buy, add the PIN, then continue. You can see it have successfully I have successfully purchased the airtime. This is the transaction receipt. This is the new balance, all balance, and whatsoever. You can see when I go back to the home, this is the transaction. This is the referral bonus that I get. This is the airtime. This is the referral bonus for purchasing, and this is the airtime that I purchased. This is the data that I purchased. So you can see it is so simple to create a BTU website and host it. If I click on generate account, it will just request for KYC and give me account. I can use manual funding to fund the user's account. I can use card to fund it using Paystack, and you can use Moneybuy. This is the network ID. You can disable the network and whatsoever. This is the wallet balance. You can track the transaction on your website below. This is the last 50 transaction. This is the where you can see the notification on your website, the network management, the users. You can view the user. You can see the user's PIN, the user's account. You can upgrade him to agent or vendor. You can do whatsoever here. This is the history, meaning the transactions. You can see the transaction on your website. You can change the status of the transaction to either fail or refund. You can see now I have changed it to fail or refund. If I refresh my website, you can see refunded the 999 naira, you can see my balance was increased, right? So this is, you can refund the user here. So this is how you will refund the user. This is a day money application that I have created. When user click on this download app, it will just automatically download. Let me guide you on how to change this welcome name to your website name. For instance, this is a day money, right? Yeah, you can ask me if I have created a website. This is when someone click on download, it will download a day money data application, right? So now what you should ask is, how can I change the name on this page to be my website name? Then how can I change the logo? How can I change the application download when someone download the application to be my own? Now I am installing the application, right? So you can see the app is installing, app installed successfully. Then click on open. After you have opened the website, you can see it will load like this and show you the login and registration button. So let's go back to the C panel to see how we are going to change these details. Click on file manager, click on public HTML, click on public HTML, click on APK. This is the application that I have recently downloaded. You can change it to your application that you want users to download. So let me click on upload, select file, click on media figure. Then let me add the application that I want to upload. This is the application that I want to upload. So let me click on it. This is a day money application. So if you have uploaded this application, because I have it, let me cancel it. It will appear here. Then change the name to exactly the application that you want. For instance, if your own is Sunny Data, then add sunnydata.apk. Then when user click on that, it will automatically download. Then click on this index.html and change the name a day money data. Right click on this search icon, type a day money data like this, then click on plus icon here. You can see then enter the website name of your own, then Sunny Data here, right? Then click on all, click or replace. You can see now we don't have a day money here anymore. Now the website name was changed to Sunny Data. Let me refresh it and see. Welcome to Sunny Data, right? So this is how you are going to change this website name. This is how you are going to do on contact.html, index.html, and everything. So this is how you are going to change these details on this index, contact, and privacy policy link. So let me go to this also. This is where you should change the application name to make sure that you are downloading your application. So this is download app link, right? This is download app link. Then you can change the download app link to your exact application name, apk slash, for instance, ademonidata.apk. You can write sunnydata.apk. This is where you can change the name again. So you can search for Ademoni data to change it. If you change it once, you are done with that. Let me refresh it. You can see the name was now changed to Ademoni. So after I have clicked on download, it would automatically download the application. So let me guide you on how to I think what I've left is how to change it in contact and privacy policy. I have guided you in the index.html. This is the same thing you should do. This is asset, where you should upload the click on asset img, then delete this one because we are going to delete this one. If I click on extract, we are going to upload the zip file. If I click on extract, it will automatically extract. Then let me build. This is Ademoni data. This is Ademoni data logo, brand logo, Pabicon. This is Pabicon. How Pabicon logo will look like. Okay. So let me guide you on how to create it. Pixel Lab. You should go to Pixel Lab and create your logo like this. This is how you are going to create your logo. After you have created the logo, go back to the file manager of your mobile phone. Then add all these logos into a single folder. Name it image, and name all the logos like this. You can screenshot this, name them like this. Then click on that and compress the file to a zip file. This is it. This is img.zip. Let me go back to the cPanel. after you have go back to the cPanel, you should upload this zip file on your website. Click on upload, select file, media, fika, and add this one and add the zip file. This is the img zip file, right? So if I added it, it will show me green and it will appear in the website. Then click on extract and extract the file. After you have extracted the file, it will appear on your website that the logo that you have recently uploaded will appear on your website because you have changed it, and it will overwrite all the existing logos on the website. So let me extract it here. After you have extracted the file, make sure that they are in this directory, asset/img. Make sure that all the logos are in this. Let me guide you on how to create a mobile app. Just search on app creator Topup, and if you don't have account, sign up. Now I have account, I should just directly log in, then create app. After I have created the app, write the app name. This is Money Data. Right click on choose file, add the logo. This is the logo that you have recently created. Let me add this Pabicon. The description, you can add whatsoever. This is VTU app, just I added this. It is so simple. I am just guiding you on how to create it. You can add click on web app because we are creating web app. Name it, name the app, for instance, Money Data. Then paste the URL exactly like this. First, the URL of your website, ademoneydata.com.ng/. Go to App Manager. What we want to do here is that we should go to the design and click on menu type. Click on this menu type and click on OK. We don't want any menu. We want it without menu. After you have do this, click on download. It will automatically download the application like this. After you have downloaded the application, you should upload it to where I have guided you. You can see now I can install the application that I have created. So you can see this is the application that I have recently created. You can see this is the name. You can rename the application to your exact name. This is Money Data because I have let me add one. After you have named it, then upload it to your website. Upload it to your website, to the directory where when users click on this download app, it will automatically download. I have guided you. The directory is /afk, right? Now I should log into the application, buy data, SME 1 gig. Let me add the number to confirm that it is active. Let me add the PIN. This is the transaction PIN. Then boom, it is successfully, and the transaction was successfully, and this is the user's receipt. You can see the notification that I have received the 1 gig plan. So this is it. This is how you are going to create the website. This is someone that I have sent the 20,000 for uploading his application. I have shared him the link for his application. So after that, you can create the application and send it. We can create the application for you. You can purchase the domain at the cost of 9,900. You can see here someone sent the 25,000. I have done with his work. I have received it remaining 14,000. After I have done with it, I have checked his domain name is available. I have created the logo. He said he liked it. After I have done, I requested the remaining payment of 14,000. Then I have performed the transaction and share his login details with him. So this is how I am doing. Then he have created the payment gateway and integrate it. This is the application of BT Data where you can log in with your thumbprint. I can create such a beautiful mobile app for you with a thumbprint feature. We are doing this at the cost of 25,000 naira. We are the cheapest developers here. You can see after I have logged in, click on this thumbprint feature and boom, I have successfully logged into the application. So this is how you are going to do. Click on the link below this video at the description to get access to reach me out. I will give you access to this zip file. Then you should successfully, and this is the coffee sheet that will guide you on how to upload this zip file, and I am available to guide you on how to do it. So you can simply click below this video to get my mobile number, because I don't want someone to sell you a script with this video. I don't want it, because I want you to link with me. 08032230464. Click on this link and it will redirect you to my WhatsApp number. this is my WhatsApp number. So below this video I have the link. Thank you for that.